أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واصبر نفسك مع الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ولا تعد عيناك عنهم تريد زينة الحياة الدنيا ولا تطع من أغفلنا قلبه عن ذكرنا واتبع هواه وكان أمره فرطا. And evince your true endurance by cherishing those who call on their Lord morning and evening, seeking His countenance, and always keep your eyes on them. Otherwise, do not solicit the acceptance of those who treasure mundane gains of this down life, and do not yield to the suggestions of those we rendered their hearts distracted from invoking us, who follow their own cravings and whose conditions are extremely irredeemable. وَقُلِ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّكُمْ فَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيُؤْمِنْ وَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيَكْفُرْ إِنَّا أَعْتَدْنَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ نَارًا أَحَاطَ بِهِمْ سُرَادِقُهَا وَإِنْ يَسْتَغِيثُوا يُغَاثُوا بِمَاءٍ كَالْمُهْلِ يَشْوِي الْوُجُودَ بئس الشراب وساءت مرتفقا. And say the truth comes from your Lord, therefore let whoever wishes to believe do so, and whoever persists in denying the truth follow his wishes. We have indeed prepared for the unbelievers a fire whose canvas will encircle them, and if they cry for water they will be served with thick boiling waters like molten lead, that burns the faces. What an ill drink and what a dreadful lodging quarters. إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات إنا لا نضيع أجر من أحسن عملا. And to those who believe in their Lord and engage in doing righteous deeds, we will reward them accordingly, and we certainly do not waste the merits of the good doers. أولئك لهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتهم الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ويلبسون ثيابا خضرا من سندس واستبرق متقئين فيها على الأرائك نعم الثواب وحسنت مرتفقا. Such ones, their reward will be awesome dwellings surrounded by gardens of the delight beneath which rivers flow, where they will be adorned with golden bracelets, and who will be wearing green satin with sparkling brocaded garments, and they will sit there leaning on raised thrones in comfort. What a magnificent reward and what a blessed lodging quarters. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this holy knowledge onto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.